Welcome to At Risk, the risk analysis add-in for Microsoft Excel. At Risk uses Monte Carlo simulation to show virtually all the possible outcomes in any situation where there's uncertainty. Here is a simple financial spreadsheet representing a hypothetical product launch. Some values, such as number of competitors, the unit cost, and the sales volume, are uncertain. At Risk lets you represent the uncertainty with a range of values called a probability distribution function. Add a distribution to the value for unit cost using the defined distribution window. At Risk's distribution previewing and data fitting features make it easy to assign the correct distribution to any uncertain value in your model. Choose a normal distribution to describe unit cost. Next, choose the bottom line cell whose values we are interested in this case the net present value of the product launch. Click the Add Output button to make At Risk track this result. Now click Simulate to run the simulation. Watch as At Risk uses Monte Carlo simulation to sample the values from the probability distribution functions in your model over and over. For each iteration, or recalculation, of the model, At Risk records the new resulting net present value. This simulation ran for 1,000 iterations, giving us a look at 1,000 different scenarios. This histogram shows those 1,000 outcomes and the likelihood of each occurring. Now let's look at a cumulative curve of the same data. We can see there is only about a 5% chance of net present value exceeding $1 million. If $1 million were our target for launching the project would be cancelled.